Right, you've all seen the title of the video and you've all seen... It's been a while since they've been opening it.
I just don't think it looks that bad.
It's terrible. I hate that bit at the back as well. So, yeah, barbers haven't been open for a while. Laura's going to have a go. We thought, content.
Disclaimer, I do not claim to be a
You're doing it as
hairdresser
well?
in any way.
Tony and Guy, aren't you? So here's the setup. Laura's got the kitchen scissors, my beard trimmer, which does have different levels on it, if that focuses there,
And a comb.
and some form of leopard print comb. We're going to do you next. And here's the torture chair. Right. What have we got to do, Laura, if you're watching?
Welcome to Laura's salon. I'm joking. You got to like, subscribe, and maybe give us some ideas for the content you want to see.
I've got loads of ideas, don't worry about that.
It's what the people want
The
to see.
space is on that driveway yet.
There's what?
Space is
There
on
isn't.
Right, I've also put Sky Sports News on just to try and...
That doesn't look like Sky Sports News.
Oh, it's definitely just an advert,
It's some
but...
girl running.
There we go. We should put an invoice in for that advert now. Right.
Gay refreshment.
What time is it? 10 o'clock a beer would be lovely.
Yeah, the Saturday girl hasn't turned up yet. So
Oh, right. You're going to wash my hair like Tom does?
I can wet it.
If Tom's watching this, he's going to be wetting himself, isn't he? I love how you're going through that as though like, you're deciding what to do. You haven't got a clue what to do, have you?
Well, I'm just wondering where your thingy is. What do we call them things that men have got?
Parting.
No, what's that? This thing.
Crown.
That's it.
It's there.
I know, so your hair goes with it.
Guys, comment below. Has anyone done this? I mean, I'm sure you all have in lockdown, but when are they opening, by the way?
Well, the announcement's on Monday.
It's going to be a couple of weeks, isn't it? I can't carry on with it. My problem is when I wear a hat, I've been wearing hats a lot, as you've all seen, it looks really scruffy down here. So as long as that's short, I don't really care what you do.
I'm starting on a 3.
Go full mohawk.
No.
Oh.
Right.
Ah!
What?
What did you do then?
You've just got a knot in your hair. Have you?
Well, not anymore.
Maybe I should have trimmed it first because it's that long.
Maybe.
Shall I?
I don't know.
Do
Doesn't sound amazingly powerful.
you want to put new batteries in?
Yeah.
Where are your batteries?
Tell me we've got batteries now you've started.
Hmm?
Tell me we've got new batteries now you've started.
I want to go put some in then. Jameson's just eating his dinner.
Yeah, what a random... Like, you never... Alright, mate. Yeah, anyway. Oh!
Amazing.
Listen to that.
Maybe you
Right.
just need
So what I'm looking for is a 3 back and sides,
Mate, there's no point telling me what you're looking
fading into maybe a bit of something in the side. I'd like to keep the volume on top. Is that coming off now?
for. Again, yeah. I'm going to trim it first because there's too much hair.
With the hand scissors.
The hand scissors and a comb.
Just don't chop my ear off. Oh. Sounds very butcher-like.
Well, the kitchen scissors, not hairdressing scissors.
Just waiting for a piece of my ear to go. Ooh.
James, not bloody, what's it called? Sweeney Todd.
To make things worse, I've got to look at Dirk Coy on the Sky Sports News.
Who's that?
Play for Liverpool.
Give up.
You do get close to the scalp though.
What are you talking about? Got to get close to it.
How's it looking?
It's thinner now.
Is it?
Yeah.
I do miss the head massage.
Is it? It just didn't seem to do anything.
Well, what number are you on?
2. It's just like the world's shittest razor.
Well, you bought it.
If it's for face hair.
What's that doing?
I feel like I should do it.
Was that working?
Yeah, I think so. Like, you need to put your head down like that.
There's hair all over the floor, so something must be happening.
That is from the scissors.
Oh.
Head down.
You know, I stand up shaving it last time.
Yeah, but I did it with no cutter on. Just didn't do
I
anything.
feel like this isn't going well.
She's got too much hair.
That's why we're cutting it, darling.
Just like take it off after every shot.
He knows this isn't going well, look.
He goes to the green.
You're enjoying this, mate, are you? Jameson? Want some ham?
No, come on.
Do you reckon that's what it is? Do you reckon he's not enjoying the noise?
Yeah. Head down. It's gonna take time, this shitty razor. Oh, I've seen some greys there.
Well, we've got time. That's all we've got. We've got 3 weeks to get this off. Don't worry about that. Think of the watch time on the video. No, maybe not. I mean, what's it looking like?
I'm trying to get the thicker bits off first before I start messing about with top.
Imagine the state of the Hoover afterwards.
This is how you get a good fade,
Oh, is it?
apparently.
Are we fading it in? I hope we can, because I really don't want to
Shave
it again.
I would be devastated if you have to shave it off. I'm not gonna lie.
As long as it don't look like curly watch like I did last time. Do you remember that one? I think I've still got a picture actually. I'll put it up here now. Last time she tried.
I was like, I think I can do it.
Worst thing is, she said it looked good. I feel like I should be cuddling the dog for moral support. Come here, mate. Do you want me to hold my ear out of the way?
No. Got on a brand.
Come here then. Come here. Up here with me.
I'm bringing him closer to the noise.
He's looking faded yet.
We're still on number 3.
I'm looking like Craig David.
Still on number 3.
Oh. It's actually quite therapeutic. You know, it scratches your head. Feeling shorter, anyway. All to a 3 level.
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty much like bald?
No. 3's not bald, is it?
Oh, yeah. 3 is quite short. Do you pay less if you have to hold your own ear down? How's it looking, guys?
Like, imagine if I had a good razor.
Yeah, that's the difference. We should probably have bought one, to be fair, but...
Well, I did look on Amazon, but oh, sod it, doesn't matter.
Yeah, kitchen scissors and beard trimmer will do.
Yeah, better content.
Tom will sort it out, eventually. So when it starts growing back, innit, that's the...
Might have to cut top.
Yeah, I don't mind leaving it, because all I'll do is I'll wear a hat every time I leave the house. And then just let Tom sort it out.
Yeah.
Maybe trim the top of it, you know, like thin it out with the, you know, when they get the comb and like cut in.
I ain't got no thinning scissors.
Why not?
Not a hairdresser, I've told you this.
Yeah, but surely if you cut in, then it'll work.
Mate, I actually don't think it's bad. God, look how much side burnage you've got. Can you bend it the other way?
What, my ear?
Yeah.
Ripping it off. Which way?
You've just got a bit of hair that I just need to get.
Oh,
No, just leave it.
God. It's like Van Gogh. It wants thinning out though, doesn't it?
I ain't got no thinning scissors, I've told you.
If you ain't got no thinning scissors, you've got all the thinning scissors. Looking alright, that.
Yeah, but like, you think it's going to look rubbish.
I'm only looking in the reflection on the camera, but...
Yeah, no, but I just
It's
gonna,
a bit
number
curly.
one, the trip like
Yeah,
round, and then I just need to 3 this bit.
Yeah, it's a bit curly watts at the moment there, isn't it? Is that, am I going thin on top there? Is that just the camera?
I mean, you can see scalpage, but you've got a lot of hair.
There's no going thin there, is there?
No.
Right. Continue. Have you watched any tutorials on it or anything? No? I thought you might have done.
Well, I did last time, and then that didn't really help.
No, it didn't, did it? You're
Just
right.
practice.
Could have been doing the dog.
Can't see me getting...
He's really not happy down there.
No, but the groomer in lockdown the first time did like tips, you know, like how to...
If people are still watching, I bet they're like, what on earth?
I bet they think that you've had a professional in.
Do you think? Does it look that good?
On the back, yeah.
You said that last time. That doesn't make me feel any better whatsoever. As long as I can wear a cap and it look...
Well, stop touching it. You're messing it all up.
See, I feel like you're getting a bit cocky now. Yeah.
Need Mr. Saturday Girls.
You haven't done anything here.
I know, I am doing it side by side.
And it's a bit, what's this here?
Sorry, I've had the camera. You're
Right.
getting cocky now.
I'm not getting cocky, I'm just...
James, can you not see it in there? It looks good.
I can't, to be honest, because every time I move my head on them, I'm looking at
Oh,
them.
yeah.
Oh, nearly had my ear off then.
I've never known anyone be such a baby. You know, this is for safety reasons, yeah?
You'll still take a good chunk off the top, I'll tell you.
I don't think it looks...
Oh! Did you like pull away then when you had it? Ow.
Ew. Hey.
So what we're doing now, talk me through it.
Just tied in.
So has this got no guard on then?
No. Yeah. Just on number one. Can I take a picture?
Is it done?
No, yeah.
Go on, take a picture and show me. You can move it around all you want, it's not going to change the
Stop
colour.
it!
Well, let's finish it before we...
Focused on that, yeah.
Yeah, you know, I've seen worse. Ah!
James, is that your bad ear?
Yes.
Or is that why you're whining?
It does look alright, that. It just needs maybe fading in a touch more if you can at the sides, but you've done a decent job there, to be fair to you. Guys, judge her out of 10. I mean, it's not, you know what, it's not great, but it's not, I don't really know what you'd do with this here, like.
When you've had a shower and you put some hair gel on it.
It's more just so I can wear a cap and not look ridiculous.
No.
So teach me for buying a car back.
Yeah. Where's your car, James, currently?
In the garage, the video's gone out now.
The garage.
I'll probably do another video on the bill as well. I'm looking forward to getting that back actually, I missed it.
Nope.
I have.
You've missed it.
I have missed it.
You need
Come on.
under in there.
Yeah, probably that's why he's run away. Come on mate, come and help me. Up here. Yeah, go
So
boy.
no, you're going to get near them awful things.
So Jameson hates going to the groomers and we think that the noise is bringing back the memories for him so he's a bit on edge. Aren't you mate? Do you reckon you could do the dog?
I'd be scared of like, you know, like catching.
Good thumbnail that.
Like the biggest scissors as well.
Oh god, that was a bit close to me then.
Stop doing that!
Can't believe I've spent all this time looking. I don't think they know what they're talking about, to be fair, but...
You stop moving around, please.
Sorry, I'm just...
I mean, do you know, hate to blow my own trumpet,
Should we just call it a day there?
but
I feel like now you're getting really too
Okay.
confident, yeah. I'm going to call this video Laura Cuts My Hair with Home Appliances.
a jacksaw.
Because that's fair, isn't it?
Hacksaw.
Usually you'd use a wet towel for that.
Would you?
Ow, that hurt my
Do you want me to do your
ear.
beard?
You what?
Do you want me to do your...
No, I don't need to do my bloody beard. Right. Guys, what do we think?
I think you're not doing it justice. Like, let me walk around the camera.
Right,
And you can
okay.
put some cool music on it.
Right.
Dun 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 dun.
Am I putting the music on or are you just...
Oh yeah, I forgot. I mean, bearing in mind you've got an oddly shaped head.
Right, so we're finished. I'm going to go and get a shower, and because things always look better after a shower, don't they, generally? And put a little bit of something in it.
Really?
Hope. What are you doing with them now?
Just giving it a one.
I thought we're finished.
Just a one server.
But you said we were done. You don't get... Tom doesn't do this.
Isn't there?
Well, let me... Ah! It's a fair go, isn't it? Thanks. See you in a bit. Well, at least the floor's clean.
I think it looks good.
I've definitely, I wouldn't say I've had worse, but I have had worse because you've done it before. But it's not that bad actually. I thought I might have to shave it off, but it's rescuable. What about with the all important hat on?
Oh, beautiful.
Look alright?
Yeah.
Not long there?
No.
Alright.
It's alright.
That way? Okay. Someone had a go at me for this.
What?
Said it reeks of... What does it reek of?
TJ.
Trying too hard or something like that. So.
Wow.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Can I get in the middle?
Do you not think he looks like TJ from Recess?
No. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed that. I just hope that they open soon. Every time we try and say something. What, lead us out.
I'd just keep the hat on.